heart of Cagayan de Oro City, the city of golden friendship, stand a symbol of faith, heritage, and hope. This is the St. Augustine Metropolitan Cathedral, a timeless landmark that has witnessed the city grow, its struggles, and its unwavering faith through the centuries.
The oldest and most meaningful landmarks in Cagayan de Oro, the St. Augustine Cathedral.
The story of the cathedral began in 1624, when Recollet friars founded the first church in the area. Through wars and disasters, it was rebuilt time and again, stronger and more beautiful than before. From its humble beginnings to its presently full, the cathedral stands as a living reminder of the city enduring faith. Throughout history, the cathedral has risen from war and natural disasters. In World War II, much of Cagayan de Oro was destroyed, including parts of this very structure, but the faith of the community never wavered. Through every rebuilding, the cathedral became not just a structure of stone, but a symbol of the resilience of the Cagayanan spirit.
When you enter the cathedral, you can really feel the peace and devotions within these walls. Every corner tells a story, a prayer, faith, and hope that continues through generations.
The St. Augustine Cathedral blends simplicity and grace. Its white canopy symbolizes purity and peace, while its stained glass windows tell stories of St. Augustine's biblical events, glowing beautifully as sunlight passes through. Every August, the city pours into color during the Higalay Festival, a joyful celebration in honor of St. Augustine, the city's patron saint. Held every August 28, it unites Cagayanons and visitors through faith, music, and friendship. The highlight of the celebration is the Grand Pontifical Mass, held right here at the cathedral, a powerful moment of unity and thanksgiving.
For Cagayanons, this cathedral isn't part of the city, it's part of their lives. It is remind us faith, friendship, and the strength that keeps our community together.
Many visitors admire the cathedral beauty, but few notice the timeless details within it. The woven carvings reflect Filipino craftsmanship, while the towering arches are inspired by Spanish colonial architecture. Each design choice is intentional, blending culture, faith, and artistry into one sacred space. Through the years, the St. Augustine Cathedral has stood as a witness to time, strong, graceful, and eternal. It is a legacy of faith, a symbol of unity, and the beating heart of Cagayan de Oro City.